Welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. How is everybody doing on this fine Monday? It is Update Monday and we're going to look at what's coming up on the channel later this week, what's coming up on the channel in the future, and all that good stuff. How about you guys leave in the comments below what you guys are doing this week? Because I got some crazy and exciting stuff that we're working on. You know, of course it's going to be crazy. So, this week, well, let's start with the last 3 days. The last 3 days I worked on the building techniques video part 11. It was a tricky one. It was working with some track links on the Tiger 1 and it was working on mounting them to the side of the turret. So it was a little tricky. So that took me a couple days to get done, mostly because of drying time, because of the techniques I had to use. So that'll be part 11. That'll be coming out in a couple weeks. So, and there will be a part this week on Wednesday. I believe it's the last of the clear parts, or there is one more episode of the clear parts. And then we'll move on from there. As always, you guys can email me topics and questions at crazygamermodels@gmail.com. If you guys follow my Instagram at crazygamermodels, one word, I teased a photo of a Phonos upgrade kit. I am not going to show the upgrade kit on camera because you'll know immediately what it is. Check out the Instagram and see if you guys can guess on what that upgrade kit is for and what that ship is. So, points for whoever can guess what it is from that photo. So, let's get on to the North Carolina Spooky Ship Thursday. On Thursday, I'll be doing the video on going through the build plan for the North Carolina. I will go through incorporating all the photo etch instructions and going through the reference book, which is this book, which I rave about, is fantastic. So I'll be going through all this and putting together a plan of attack, of putting all this together, along with all the, you know, all the Alliance Model Works upgrade stuff that has to go in there. I might even start working on some of the gun assemblies, on how they work, and that may be where we start instead of on this hull. From looking at the hull itself, looking at this part right here, there is a little bit of some fit issues. Well, first of all, it says put the deck on without putting it on the lower hull, and then I guess it shows it on the lower hull here, so I guess that's a thing. Yeah, so I guess that's the way it goes. So, because I see it on this upper part of the lower hull, but I don't see it going on the actual hull itself. Could be out for a while. Yeah, see, here it goes. Now you can put it on the waterline plate or the hull plate. Now I immediately noticed that this piece and this piece don't match up perfectly. So I'm going to have to fill and do some modifications to this to fit onto here correctly. So I'll address that in Thursday's video. We'll look at the parts and on that. Feedback Friday will probably be a live feedback. We'll go over some more history of North Carolina, some more stories. I'll talk about some of that on Thursday also. As always, Wednesdays is building techniques, and on also this Wednesday for Kitbash Warhammer Wednesday, we are going to look at some sprues of the next Kitbash I'm going to work on. It's going to be related to the Tech Marine, or Blood Angels anyways, and I'm going to show you the sprues. It's like 3 or 4 sprues that I'm going to look at. I'm going to go over all the sprues, show you all the parts, and then maybe you guys can guess on what I'm building. So that's going to be that, and then there's going to be one more kit bash after this one that is going to turn, and then we're going to paint them. So there's going to be a couple episodes on painting them. I may even do some live episodes of the painting. I don't know if the next kit bash I can do any live on because of the nature of the kit bash. When I get into what it is, you'll understand that. I want to hold off on that so you guys can, try to guess what it is after I show the sprues. I think that'd be a cool guessing game for you guys. Also try to guess what that other ship is by checking my Instagram. I believe it's also on my Facebook page, Crazy Gamer Models. So let's see. And then Saturday is Tiger Tank Saturday. I don't have a game plan for that yet, and I don't have a game plan on Panther Tank Sunday. I'm hoping I have that taken care of by that time. Otherwise, it's just going to be kit reviews of Tiger Tanks and Panther Tanks. Sorry guys, this North Carolina starting this project is got a lot on my plate with starting this, so I'm going to try to get this organized and started, and then I can do it 2 days a week and make videos, and then everything will be caught back up. As for Tuesday, there's going to be a review of a Panther D model. I changed the video rate on that. Hopefully the video quality is a little bit better, and you guys like that, so check that out. Let me know in the comments if you think that video turned out better than my previous kit review videos. And that's going to sum it up for this kit review. I don't have any cool new tools to show off or any mailbags or anything like that. Just a lot of prep and work lined up for me here. So I am going to sign off, get this uploaded, and I'm going to get started on the week, because it's a big week, it's an exciting week, and we're going to do some awesome stuff. For Crazy Gamer Models, I'm the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.